Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this fun balloon party popper. You will need a toilet roll, balloon, tape, paint, a paintbrush, and paper and a hole punch to make confetti. Clean off any extra pieces of toilet paper and paint the roll in a nice color that matches your balloon. We are using blue. Then once the paint has dried, take your balloon and cut off the tip. Attach the balloon to one end of your painted toilet roll and secure it with tape. Next, it's time to make confetti using a hole punch and many different colors of paper. Now take a small handful of confetti and load your popper. With a little pull and release of the balloon, confetti is launched into the air. And just like that, you are done. Well done on making your own fun balloon party popper. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.